Hey, welcome to Project Beats. Continuing on the tiny kit setup, let me show you another tiny drum kit with the SPD-S. Yeah, so before I swap things around for another video topic, let me show you the breakdown on the kit.
Something like a rap on right there in the roof. A quick cobblestone key, kicked another holder, filling another hole, putting in the hand of a hero who rose, reaching the waves off the highs and the lows. And if I'm not be such a bad, I'm getting by. I said if I'm not be such a bad, I'm getting by. So don't you cry, little baby. Alright. It'll be alright.
Yeah, so this is the tiny kick. I have the fluffy beater I got from Tokyo. I don't remember what brand this is actually, but it's very nice. You can see that. That's the Jojo Mayer folding pedal. I had this pedal since college days, so I would say more than a decade it's holding up. I have replaced the spring parts. This part, I actually already lost it. This thing can easily loosen up and you can easily lose it. But anyway, inside the kick right here for my SPD setup is, I don't know if you can see that, there's a trigger inside there. And then there's a cable running through. I put the cable right there through the vent hole outside into this. So it's a tiny jack that connects to the SPD-S. So this essentially is my kick trigger. I know what you're thinking. It's too big and too bulky for a, where's my focus? I'm using a manual lens. I don't know why, but yeah. Let me put some reflector on so you can see me. All right. So I know what you're thinking. Why would you use a big bulky kick for what essentially is a sample triggers? I like the feedback. I like to feel the bass drum. This tiny, small feedback that I get helps me when I play. Also, I would say looks better on stage than with these things. This is the hi-hat controller, by the way, but Roland also sells a kick trigger. That's more convenient and easy and more portable to bring and lug around, but I like the feedback that the small kick gives me. And I think it looks good on stage. looks better on stage compared to this. But all subjective, of course, depends on what you like. This is what I like to do. So I think it's worth bringing when playing these types of gigs. Just a small detail with the Pearl floor tom to kick converter. It doesn't come with, okay, let me show you. Right, so you get the legs, of course, right behind there. You get these legs. It says it's for 16 to 18 floor tom, but this is a 14 and it works well. Let me fold this. Right, that's what I love about this pedal. It folds into that. Very easy to bring. Okay, so it comes with this part, which is where the pedal grips onto, right? But you have to buy this separately. This is a Pearl LSS integrated suspension system for the toms. Essentially, you use this for a tom like that, and you'll be able to mount your tom on your kick, right? But I use this to integrate with that converter. I think it's a elegant solution. And then when I put it on the ground, I make sure I have a bit of this bottom part sticking out. That way it's a bit more balanced and the bass drum is not wiggling around. You can have a memory lock there, of course. And that's how I like to use my SPD-S mini kit. Put this back on. Okay, there you have it. Tiny kit setup with the SPD-S, with a hi-hat controller and a kick trigger. I might do another mini kit setup with essentially the same size, 14 but longer kick. And I'm reviewing a mixer preamp, so stay tuned for that on the next video. See you guys on the next project.